For those of you who don't know the reason why Sowore was arrested, or why Sowore was put in Kuje prison, the case originally we carry Sowore go court now say Sowore talks to Tinubu, allegedly say Tinubu na criminal, right? DSS consul Sowore, no be Tinubu's family. DSS consul Sowore, so that case don't go on since. So the last hearing of the case, Sowore was not present in court. That's why the judge remanded him now. The next hearing now tomorrow, which is Wednesday. That's why the judge remands Sowore for prison. But the reason for this video is why did the DSS felt the need to go and forcefully drag Sowore, like saying that they won't go dump her for prison. Like DSS don't turn prison water now. So my question would be, Sowore made comments about Tinubu and he was sued by the DSS. And then the court remands him in Kuje prison till Wednesday for not showing up for the previous hearing. Naturally, the prison warden is supposed to escort Sowore go enter motor to go, but DSS begin rough handle him. So my point now is this. Una first of all wear mask. Now Sowore with the talk, you know they dodge. He did there. He even make video where he talk say they don't remand her for prison, but you know the fear ain't prepare coming they go. So the DSS will go there with mask, everything go rough handle Sowore. What was the purpose really? Like sometimes you could just see some things that happen for Nigeria. You don't fit understand how we got to this point. Like, what was the basic reason? He wasn't resisting arrest. He wasn't saying he was not going. The judge already remanded him in prison till Wednesday hearing, which is tomorrow. The man already said, I'm signing the blah, blah, blah. I'm going to the prison because I already saw this coming. So what was the need for the DSS maxed up to go the drugs or whatever? Like, it be like say they get a mandate to embarrass anybody we not a thief for this country. I think that's the idea. Like, if you are a critic of the government, you seem to be more criminal in the eyes of DSS than the bandits, actually. Yeah. That's the only thing that makes sense with the attitude that I saw yesterday. This Sowore that we're discussing is the presidential candidate. He made statements, and last I checked, there's freedom of speech in Nigeria. And he has been sued to court for all well and good. But then the last hearing, he didn't show up. And the chief judge said he should be remanded in prison. Now, Wednesday be the case. So, from the part of the chief judge, I can understand, okay, let's make sure that he shows up in court on Wednesday. And the direction that this is going, most likely, they could lock Sowore up before election. Because what I think they are trying to do basically is to find a way to silence all their oppositions. Will be like said, if you say this one, they catch fire small, you understand? So these DSS people, you guys might just need to take a step back and just reevaluate the original work where they given them. So Sowore was not a threat to anybody. So the main reason why all those actions were taking place for that court, like I said, I feel somebody just realized they make we show up Pepe. But you have already handled the case to the law. And the guy is not, going against what the law is saying. So why was the show of force happening yesterday? From Sowore's talk, that the judge of that case don't even fair intimidate Sowore lawyer for court. Like, Nigeria is just a shame. So the young lawyers who are supposed to grow up, take over from this elderly chief judge or chief judge's name, are meant to go through some type of, allegedly by the way, some type of bullying, based on what Sowore said, some type of bullying so that they can keep quiet when they are talking. They don't want any fire lawyer now to step up and challenge the authority. It questions the fact that how did these people even find their way to that ranking position? Questions the fact, like anything in Nigeria that you see that is in power today, you guys question her because it by their attitude, character, and everything made it not there. So Nigerian police or Nigerian DSS, as the case might be, a bunch of Nigerians seeing exactly what is going on in Nigeria. And then if you see them acting, you go feel like say these people know they be human being. I mean, get what they give you now for back. Like you get more money way DSS they share when Nigerians don't know. She be like these people go kidnap very dark man from bank the other day. For person we know they like this is my problem. There are so many violent issues going on. One place for North now, the APC chairman for the holy wife. The family. Yesterday, I believe yesterday, like move people for Plateau State. No intelligence reports, nothing like, no, say within 24 hours, make we just say DSS, do this, do that, do that. The person will call the security away from the school where they go kidnap those children. Nobody don't talk so now like this, it goes into like, what is crime really? Because now every day now people they insult Donald Trump. Even what's it be name? John Legend and his wife, and they never forget that one. They insult Donald Trump with him pain, and Donald Trump in that Twitter replied them. Our own arrest time, born to them. Again, it's okay to sue the person to court. It's okay. Because you alleges must prove. So when they say to a criminal, come and prove how it be criminal. That's okay. I don't have a problem with that. Even though I think that this is not a priority in the country right now, people they move like that Sowore case, that a whole chief judge. Meanwhile, in the presence of all these chief judges, they rehabilitate Boko Haram members, over 700 of them, back into the society. None of them, if you call anybody to order. But when Sowore do something, whoa! Let's get him down. He's talking. Like, what is the problem? I think that democracy will operate for Nigeria. Oh, it's really sad how the DSS have allowed themselves to be used like say them be thugs. Now they go bundle her for court. You know, say you no go. You know even resist. Just need to show they even wear mask. Like say that they go one serious oppression of a higher assassin, like unnecessary spending of the country's wealth. And the other ones, because the taxpayers' money now that they do all this nonsense. And then the taxpayers no get say. Like if you talk now, once you talk, especially against this APC-led government, when PDP they rule Nigeria, if you hear the way APC they talk, you have to say they want big church now, like that pastors full there. Even this insurgency where they happen now, the Tinubu government, the Tinubu criticize Jonathan Sote, like say tomorrow, all of them, which is why people they attack on them are devil. But I mean, for me, I don't have a problem with that man because he's going older, whether you like it or not. It's just that the problem with life now, say, what is good for the goose is good for the gander. People will read meaning now to say, oh, because my brother did it, that's why he's not doing anything. But in all fairness, the man is growing older, whether you like it or not. He can't that same activity we do 12, 14 years ago cannot be the same activity we go do now. It's not possible. But posterity, now they judge everybody now. You understand? So when is going to be back? I just pray may they know, may that, because the way that they do this case now, they go rush the case, then they go put up a prison pending after the election or something. That's what they will do. It's not cyber bullying. That's already the bully. It's a bully too. Papa. This way.